everybody in the world is trying to figure out how to navigate this really financially complex world. We don't know how to do it. We don't know where to go. So as far as consumers go, education is so important. And I'm really passionate about the role that advisors can play in empowering consumers. Having better knowledge about how your financial choices are going to impact your future and your retirement is so smart. And it's simple things like just nobody knows taxes. Nobody does. So you just need a financial advisor to make that simple for you and explain it to you in a way that saves you so much money and so much headaches. And I can't stand that people don't know this kind of stuff. So I'm passionate about educating it. And then when it comes to the advisor side, I think advisors are natural educators and you don't have to sell yourself. But when you educate someone, when you answer the questions that are keeping them up at night, like, how am I going to retire? Do I have enough? How do I pass this legacy on? How do I not disinherit my grandchildren when my daughter gets divorced? When I go through that kind of stuff, and when advisors hear those are the kind of questions that people want to understand, that's the stuff that makes it so easy to say, I really need a financial advisor. So when I talk to my advisors, I say, just get out there and be a warm, friendly educator with all that expertise you have that's really complicated for somebody like me, and help me understand the things I need to know. Education is the key. When you have someone who comes to an educational seminar about retirement or about saving taxes or about understanding Social Security or estate planning or whatever it is that we're teaching on, when they come to a seminar and they hear us talk and we answer their questions, they sign up for an appointment with a financial advisor because they want to take that next step. These are the most warm, qualified leads you'll ever get. Our advisors love them because they know these people have already raised their hand. They're like, hey, I need this help. I took the first step and I went to this seminar and I got some good stuff. But now I really want someone who can answer my personal questions. And that's why I think in-person workshops are so important. You're getting a very warm, very qualified lead that's already decided they're going to take the next step. So basically, you get to have someone sit in your office that's qualified and ready to start talking paperwork. So an advisor that wants to use education-based marketing to grow their practice should start with some of the easy things. You've got a phone. We all have a phone. Just think of the questions that you answered for a client in your office, the last question you had. And just think about that and turn on your phone and pretend like you're just talking to a client. So put that phone right in front and educate that phone like you're talking to a client and say, I had a client who came in today and said, I'm really stressed out about all the market volatility and I don't know what to do about these tariffs. Should I be buying? Should I be selling? Should I be changing my positions? And then talk to your phone and say what you said to your client. That is education-based marketing. It's fabulous content marketing as well. And it's also a chance for people to get a taste of how you help your clients in a really authentic way. Low bar, all you do, hit record. You can publish that on LinkedIn, YouTube, Instagram, wherever you hang out. So quick and easy. And that is a first step in education-based marketing. You do enough of those, put it on your blog, make a YouTube channel, put it together so that people can find it and consume more of it when they're ready. And that's just like the easiest part to start.